Hi, Miracle Girls. How are you doing today?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
Welcome to the session. I'm so excited about the session that because it's the last week. I can't believe time flies. Yeah, and then it's going to be a very interesting session because we're going to talk about the success blueprints. Okay, the last layer of Incredible Use Success Program. And in this program, the framework to define your own unique definition of success, we're going to define that. And this is where, we'll talk about that the ownership of our success. Okay, so how we can take the ownership. I know it can sound a little clumsy because, they say people don't, what do you think? I just want to ask you a question. What do you think? Why people don't achieve something? Let's
think
say, yeah, go on.
I think because they don't see it in their in the future. They don't recognize it, and they're not putting it into plan actions. I think so.
Absolutely. Because they have never thought about it. Let's say if I have never thought that I want to buy a car. Do you think I'm going to buy a car?
No, definitely not.
So there must be a dream, there must be a vision. Yeah. Then only I can get what I want to. If I am not thinking about it, so I'm not going to get it. Yeah. So that's what we're going to talk about this time. And then we're going to talk that, whether we should dream or we should not dream as well. So what do you think? Let's say if you dream something really, really crazy and big, Michelle, think about something crazy and big.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Yeah, crazy big dream.
What
Dreams
is
are
that?
there.
What dream that can be? The crazy big dream.
Crazy big dream that I have is to travel the world to see the seven wonders.
Amazing. So exciting. Yeah. So okay. Now I know you might not, like if I say that because it's a big crazy dream and you want this to be there and then you want to fulfill. But what if, 1%, if it's not happening, then what will happen?
I just don't get to see the wonders of the world.
So, you're dreaming, and if you dream, what will happen? If
I'll
it's
see it. I mean, it's so much of satisfaction and so much of fulfillment that, when you see
means there
something
are,
so
yeah,
beautiful firsthand.
yeah, there are a lot of chance. If you think about it, there would be a lot of chances that it will happen. You might see, and then if you'll not think about it, then it will not happen because you're not thinking about it. Yeah. So let's say if it is not happening, what will happen? You will just not see it. Yeah. But thinking will give you more scope of achieving what you want to. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Sharvat, do you agree what I say?
Yes, I do agree.
So what is your crazy dream?
My crazy dream is to become an international speaker.
Amazing. I'm sure you will.
I hope
Yeah.
so.
Yeah.
I hope
So
so.
so but it's a crazy dream you have, yeah, and I'm sure it
Yes.
will happen. But what can happen if in case you're not able to reach to that point? What can be the plan B?
Plan B for me, I'll be the same coaching Sherwet, who is inspiring and influencing others around her. So I'm good with it.
Yeah, amazing.
I'm
So
good with it.
dreaming crazy, after dreaming crazy, and if it's not happening, you're not losing anything. It's just that
That's true.
you'll stick to what you have. So now that's what I want to tell you, that I want you to dream like a fearless person, and invite you to use that most powerful accessory which we have in our brain. Yeah, that's the most powerful accessory. This has been mentioned by the Afeen Khan. Yeah, so that's what he says. Beautifully, he said that. And like Thomas Edison says, things happens twice, once in our mind and after that in the reality. Yeah.
That's true.
So let's start having that let's start dreaming crazy in our mind. That's going to be the first step. Yeah. So we are going to go to our dreams, then, fearlessly, we are going to dream big, crazy, and then if in case that's not happening, we have a plan B with us. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
So now let us look hunting for crazy, fearless dream in our 8 area of life, which are mentioned on page 120. Yeah.
Okay.
So wheel of life we did. So you are aware about career, finance, and wealth, friends and family. So you can have, your dreams in all these areas. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then after that, write down 3 biggest dream from previous list which you made. We made the list that wherein we talked about the outcomes and all. Yeah. So write about the 3 biggest dream from previous list and answer the following questions, which I'm going to ask you. So can I ask you one, Sharwat, your one dream?
My one dream was the speaker.
Okay, speaking, same one. Okay. So what is the absolute worst that could happen if you went for your dream and it did not work out? Though I don't want to say that, but it's just that we are getting prepared mentally.
I'll just be as I am, coach, and doing what I love doing, also teaching, and this is me. This is me. Okay. I'm satisfied with who I am already.
Okay, and if in case this happens, yeah, what would you have to do to get back to your life as it is now? It happens means that it does not, you don't become a coach. Yeah.
I think I'll gain a lot of experience, through pursuing what I want, my dream. So I think even if I stopped and I didn't achieve this high raising point, I will be better than what I'm doing now. So
amazing.
I think,
and yes. What if you have this crazy dream and it get fulfills?
Wow.
Amazing. Wow. Yeah. That's amazing. Great. Now, Michelle, let's talk about your dream. Yeah. So what is the dream you have?
My dream is like, I want to travel the world. I want to see the 7 wonders of the world.
Amazing.
Of Egypt.
He wants to go Egypt.
I'm coming to Egypt, Sharbat. Keep a room ready for me. I'm coming. And then we'll see the pyramids together, right? You're taking me to see the pyramids.
I'll join you, Michelle.
Absolutely. Let's do it. Mughal power.
I know. And Michelle, it's a beautiful dream you have. And what if it doesn't take place? What if
Sharbat? I know. Sharbat. I don't get to meet you, which is really bad. But
I will send pictures of the 7 wonders.
And what if it happens?
We connect. We've already connected so much on Zoom, and if it does happen, we'll connect in person near the pyramids of Egypt, and Sharbat is going to be there to host us.
Amazing. So you can see that you're not losing that much as much you're gaining by dreaming big. Yeah. Because if it's not getting fulfilled, you'll go back to what you're doing already.
Even more. I don't think, yes, even
the journey can teach you a lot, like Sharwat said.
Yes, I believe so much. I believe so much.
Now I want, look at your crazy, fearless dreams and what do they look like in your head? And what do they make you feel? That's very important. We talked about it. I saw that smile on your face when we were talking about your dreams. Yeah. So now let us put it in a visionary board. We have dreams, but we don't give a stamp that this is what I want. And that stamp can be given if you have a board in front of your eyes.
That's
and you keep on seeing it, that this is what I have chosen out of millions of things, thousands of things, that this is what I want. Yeah, there are so many things, but you chose to see the 7 wonders. You chose to become a coach. Yeah.
Yes.
So you chose. So if that's there in front of your eyes, it's going to keep on reminding you. It will pull you to get that. Yeah. It will push you to get that. Yeah. What I want both of you to do is, I want you to make a visionary board on which you can put all your crazy dreams, and it must be in front of your eyes so that you achieve what you're looking for. Yeah.
Inshallah. Yes, yes,
Sure.
yes.
Amazing.
Okay.
So Michelle, can I expect you making the board next,
Yeah,
coming
all
week?
the 7 wonders and aeroplane flying through there.
And Michelle sitting in it. Yes,
Yeah.
one pic of Michelle. Amazing. So make it as creative as possible, make it like in a very fun way. And then it's going to always give you a smile when you see that board. Yeah. Amazing.
Excellent.
So it was beautiful.
Not just
session
smile,
with
but
you.
motivates you that you need to make the money to travel.
Yes.
Make the money as well on the vision board that you have.
I'm convinced so.
I know. Okay,
Right.
thank you so much, girls, Miracle Girls. See you again with beautiful smiles.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nice session. Thank you, Satinder.
Thank you.
Enjoyed
Bye.
it. Bye-bye, Sharwat.